We left our motel in Valdosta, Georgia that morning and drove down to Florida to visit Drew. Knowing that he was so sick, I wanted to visit him, help him out as much as I could, and spend time with him. When we got there on Tuesday afternoon, we took him out to eat to his favorite restaurant, and he made a good try of eating, but he just really wasn't up to it. So we brought the food back, and I packaged it up and put it in his freezer for another time. On Wednesday, Drew decided he wanted to make dinner, and so he made shrimp scampi. Well, he tried. He just wasn't up to it, and Bruce and I had to take over the cooking of the meal. But it was so good and so appreciated. On Wednesday, Bruce and I did the dishes, and on Thursday, we cleaned up his entire kitchen, sorting out canned goods, pots and pans, plates, cups, trying to make the place neater for him, and he was so appreciative of it. And then for supper, we took his roommate and him out to eat at a Chinese restaurant. Well, it was a Chinese buffet, and it was so good. And he ate 2 full plates of food. Probably shouldn't have, because it didn't sit well with him. On Friday, Drew had an appointment with his oncologist and radiologist, and while he was gone, I straightened up his room. I stripped his bed and put new sheets on. Just generally cleaned up, and Bruce put up shelves for him that he wanted, and we waited for him to get home. When he got home, he let us know the sad news that he most likely was not going to survive more than 18 months. And it broke my heart. We spent some more time with him, but then we had to leave because we had to get down to our cruise port and the hotel there that we had a reservation for. We told Drew we would come back to see him before we went home.